Hello, Daryl Presley here, and I am here to teach you area of a circle rounded. Take us on, Snoopy. Okay, so we're finding the area of a circle, and here's the problem. The radius of a circle is 7 centimeters. Find its area to the nearest tenth. Well, this is similar to another video I've already done, so I'm just going to get right to the point. We have a circle. We have a radius going halfway across. It is 7 centimeters. Little Pac-Man in his mouth is 7 centimeters long. What we're trying to find is not this circle around, but the space inside. The space inside, that's the area. Well, the area formula for a circle is pi r squared. Okay, now this time they want to the nearest tenth, which means I'm going to use pi equals 3.14. Okay, so I'm going to substitute two numbers. I'm going to put in pi 3.14, and then I'm going to put in my radius 7, but don't forget squared. Now I'm not going to write centimeters in there. I'll wait till the problem's done to think about the unit. Remember, this is not 2 times 7. This is 7 to the second power. Remember, 7 to the second power means 7 times 7. So on my calculator, now you try to use scientific calculator and you should be able to find a squared button on there. If not, you'll do 3.14 times 7 times 7. But since I have a power button, I go 3.14 times 7 and then I hit my squared button and I hit enter. All right, and I come up with, to start out with, 153.86. But this thing said tenth. Tenth is 1 decimal place. And my little video is just about in the way. I think I can move it. All right. So that means it's either going to be 153.8 or 153.9. I look at the next digit. The next digit is 6. It's 5 or greater. So that means go up, 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 up. So I'm going to round this to 153.9. It rounded up. The 6 said round up. So over here, didn't mean to write that line. I would write type 153.9. Now they're trying to trick you because they have a pi button down here. Don't use it. They wanted it rounded. So we've done our job, 153.9. Now this would be centimeters squared because it's 7 centimeters times 7 centimeters. It's that yellow space. But that's my answer. We've typed it in. I think I got one more video here. By the way, Captain Caveman from the 70s. Look him up. He's cool. And in here we have Cerebus from the 80s and 90s. He's cool. Look him up. All right. Well, what we're doing this time is we just changed one word. It changed radius to diameter. So diameter, if you remember, is all the way across the circle. So we'll draw a little circle. And I'll squeeze him up here so I can have some space, right? All right. And then he's all the way across like a Pokemon ball. And there's the center. And his diameter is 4 feet. Whoopee, 4 feet. So I need the area. The problem is area its formula is pi r squared. They didn't give me an r. So what should I do? Well, the radius is half of the diameter. So if I take the diameter of 4 and divide by 2, I get a radius of 2. So I'm going to use a 2 in my formula. So when I do pi r squared, I'm going to put a little 2 instead of a 4 right there. All right, so I substitute. Now they want to the nearest tenth, so I replace the pi with 3.14. That's your old buddy. You've seen him year after year. And the radius is 2 feet, halfway across. And I'm not going to write feet. All right, and then I type that in. So you just type in with your calculator. If you don't have a squared button, you would do 2 times 2 this time because 2 squared is 2. That's a little confusing. Oh, goodbye. Okay, so multiply that out. I got 12.56. Okay, but it says to the 10th, which is the 5, the first decimal. So I have to decide either 12.5 or 12.6. Well, the next digit over says, hey, 5 or above, go up. So I'm going to round up to 12.6. And that's the answer I would type in over here, 12.6. They gave you a pi button. They're trying to trick you. We're not using the pi button this time. So I think I'm at the end of my little video set here. Going to go on to some Algebra 1 in a moment. Hope you have a good day, and we will see you on the flip side.